you all for having $1 Million Voice as a judge. You know what I mean? I really do appreciate it. You know what I mean? So me have to show some respect and show some love to everybody who make this possible right now. Alright, so we're moving straight into it. And make your way to center stage right now. Marcus, make your way to center stage, my boss. What go on? What you have for with a week here? Make you know what you have now. What you bring to the table this week?
African style, man.
African style. Alright, that sound excited. Hey, do way. Let me see what you have, my boss. Yeah.
Let's go on a plane now. Boat run away, fly through the sky and cut like a razor. You full of vibe, girl, you got the waiver. You full of vibe, girl, you got the. Hey, yeah, me see the animal in your eye. No say you're wild and dangerous. Them kind of feelings staying up. Hey, pretty little painting. Body so nice, so tempting. Can't trick her with money cause she have it plenty. She just want the loving, come man kinda. She just want the loving, but man kinda flater. Loving you is danger. Don't wanna fall and scrape up. If this is the truth, then I'm telling the truth on my life that I don't wanna wake up. Knock knock, that I don't wanna wake up. Knock knock, yeah me know. Y'all see we on the street and talk, so we neat and we full of peer style, no joke. Yeah, the name at two. We not soft and we have clocks. Air Force and Air Max too. Me love the game, so me ever have a banger. Just make a true me call, say me name and Joe. Your wife for me miss, yalla. That dollar sign from the papers though. Yeah. Link up, VX sign, you see that I drink up. Cologne it a kick, yalla red.
Hey, give it up for Marcus! What do you think about the artist? Make some nice to the artist, man. Talent show, the singer them are going good enough. And DJ, they better go hard. The singer them sound excited. What you mean? Me I tell you, hey, Station. What you think about Marcus? Trust me.
Yeah, man, I like it, you know. You skip here and there, but me I tell you, say, yeah, I want you to chop and chip up in a kaya guan, you know. Yeah, right, they say there. But you know, you can work on it a little more, but you don't know. I like the vibe.
Alright, so thank you for that, carry on. You know what I mean? Station, sorry, my apology. Yes, Lady Tash.
Marcus, right? Marcus. I prefer you with the other flow. You're trying a new flow, but I prefer you with the other flow. But this craft can work for you, you know, but it needs some more, you know, working on. You understand? Overall, it was a good performance. You tried.
All right, thank you for that. Keisha, Las Vegas. Hey, make a comment on the artist now.
I think you are moving in the right direction to expand yourself and your talent and your skill, but you have to be careful where that is concerned, because if you go in the elements that you're not familiar with, you need to get guidance. And I think it had potential, but I will give you a 6 for your effort. I think you can do much better. I've heard you, you know, in a better place. So I'll give you a 6. All right, let me find that 6.
All right. Marcus, big up. Yeah, I don't go. You're going good. See you later, boss. Hey, just take the words of
I'll find my 6 and Nero
right?
can comment.
All right, 6.
All right. So for me, you know, I like the song itself. You get me? I say, I like the fact that I get more comfortable on the stage and thing. You know what I mean? For me, I'll give him an 8. You know what I mean? Because I don't know how good you to and see him back. I know him potential. I know him capable of. So.
All right. Remember to write down all the scores. So Keisha Las Vegas give you a 6. Nero Malisha give you a 8. Lady Tash give you a 5. Stacian give you a 7. Ara General give you a 7. Alright? So now make sure to write down all the scores. Please and thanks. Alright? So big up yourself, my boss. Hopefully to see you in the next round. 100% talent. Love you know. Jamaica, we love them. Trust me. Alright, so we're moving to another contestant right now. Hey, we're getting straight inside the show. The show is so excited. Make your way to center stage. Hey, Jamaica, 100% talent show. Wagwan. Hey, what you will be doing for us today?
Well, it's a surprise.
Oh, this is a surprise? So me now say not no more. Viewers, this is a surprise. 100% talent Jamaica. Hey, bring it back so what you have. Gee, him?
world where everyone thinks they can do my job, check out this guy.
When I was a little boy and told people I was going to be a comedian, everyone laughed at me. Well, no one's laughing now.
You can say that again, pal.
Joker. One small thing. Would you bring me out? Can you introduce me as Joker? Can you introduce me as Joker? The clown.
Hey, trust me right now. Hey, this is really a surprise. Hey, this is really a surprise right now. Hey, forward right so. Me I tell you, you're really excited right now. 100% talent, Jamaica. Hey, trust me, this. Hey, trust me. Hey, call him a joker today. Call him a joker today. Alright, General, what you think about? Because you know you are up the whole place, you know. So General, what you think about this brother you right just so?
Yo, Vaz.
Yeah.
Yo, yo, hey, listen what me I tell you now, man. You're bossing on me, General. You see you're gonna boss, you're gonna make it. You see me I deal with. You see your craft and your talent, me love how you own it up and you know, it level with the rhythm. You're not shy. You're serious about your craft. You're forward out in your image. You see me I deal with, you give a storyline after just dancing and have to say a word and you do it every week. You see me I deal with. So for me, no problem. A 10 my God. You see me I deal with manners.
Our General, thank you for that. You get a 10 from our General Station. What do you think about this dancer's performance?
Oh my God, you are so talented. Like, you're good. You're going with yourself. I like it. It's different. I would have really like put you out there. Me that hire you right now for any little party, anything you're going with yourself. I like it. And you're going places. Yeah, you get a 10 from me too. Yeah.
What you going on? Good man. Lady Tash. Alright, so we're using 3 judges right now. Alright, so Lady Tash.
No, sir.
Yeah.
The mother like saying is that I'm not ask Christ, but me ask Christ. Why me? Young man, trust me. No, stop looking at me. Trust me. Trust me. You pull me out of my chair. You were engaging. The interaction, trust me, 100% talent. We're happy to have you. You understand? We're happy to have you. This is a real talent. Straight 10.
It's 10. All right,
Brilliant.
Kisha Las Vegas. Trust me, everybody have to say something. I'm not lie because yeah, smooth you out going good.
You know what? Normally I don't like scary movies, but you brought me there and it was exciting and I wanted to scream. But I reminded myself where I am, and I must say I'm giving you a 9 because I know you have so much more to offer us. All right? Wonderful, Brandon.
Nero.
Yo, the main fact that this youth have come from so far, and them always prepare. Them always in a corner, they start try to put on them show, prepare for them show and things. You know what I mean? Them always deliver. You know what I mean? I respect that boy, my lad. But I tell you like, I do some things like when a normal, you tell a story using dance moves, another way of showing art. You know what I mean? And we don't have many Jamaicans do it. A 10 for me, no magic.
Yeah, oh my God, if he's excited, make some noise for him. Hey, trust me, I wish parish you forward from again.
Clarendon.
all the way from out of Clarendon. Trust me, I get fully 10. That is really excited. Oh, on a fully 10. Oh, you get a 9? Okay. All right, so you get 4 10 and 1 9. All right, so hopefully to see you in the next round. What you coming with next time? Pick up yourself and well forward to 100% Talent Jamaica. Hey, pull up. Him bad. He's really excited.
Do you need your wedding videotaped? Do you need a commercial or an interview done? Then call Sunshine Video Production. We videotape and edit functions, graduations, stage shows, music videos, and even funerals. We have a video studio and offer help with your marketing and promotional planning. So WhatsApp or call us at 883-0525.
All right, so moving on to our female artist right now. Go by the name of Tyresha. Tyresha, make your way to center stage. I wonder what you bring to the table this week. What you have for us this week?
I'm going to be performing and
you can remove the mask, please. Yeah, what you will be performing for us?
a song by Sock Ashley.
Okay, a song by Shock Ashley. All right, Ashley. All right, so do your thing.
I bet you wish you had replied. Wish you never put me to the side. Wish you just gave me a little time. Wish you swallowed all your pride. Call me back that night. Summer 16 vibe. Yeah, you messing right. I blew up and changed my life. Me no say you want it, sorry, cause me I blew up and you watching, but watch from a distance. Don't give a heck if you love me. Don't bring energy around me. I need some back right now. Got you so mad right now. I'm popping backs like whoa. Don't need a man right now. I sacrificed. I wanted you more than another life. I thought I was the one who could suffice you. Countless sleepless nights too. Love can turn you in a real fool. Looking back like miss you. I bet you wish you had replied. Wish you never put me to the side. Wish you just gave me a little time. Wish you swallowed all your pride. Call me back that night. Summer 16 vibe. Yeah, you messing right. I blew up.
All right, the competition is really getting very, very sticky right now. Yes, our new judge, Stacian.
From a come, me a real fear. I know you can do it. I know you can do it. So you see, just put on the shyness and just come out a little more, work more, rehearse a little more, because practice makes perfect. You can do it, and me a cheer for you. Okay, you can do it. All right?
All right, give her a number. What number you giving her?
Give you now a 6 for now, just for now, until you come out the way I know you can come out.
Okay.
Okay?
All right, Stacey, thank you for that 6 right now. Nero. Yeah, but you're a Nero officer right now. You know Nero.
You know she not gonna look for me though. Come and prepare from outside. You see, Milliam, it's a thing when they know when somebody can do something, you know.
Yes.
We know what she's capable of. You understand? But the fact that you're in a competition, you cannot be scared to be in a I said this outside. You can't be a gunman and afraid of gun. You can't be the man of the yard and afraid of people. You cannot come to a competition and be shy, little girl. I say because I want to see her again, because I know what you're capable of. I give her 7.
Yeah.
I have to give her 7. Because I have to soak. Try to reach over and say, lad, look at the number that they know for me. Yeah, I want to give her 7. If you notice, she can't look back and I judge her because she know what she capable of.
Right.
So, 7 for me.
All right, thank you for that, Nero. You know what I mean? Yeah, big up yourself. Keisha Las Vegas. What do you think about her performance?
You know, everyone You have so much potential. The songs you have sung from start to date tells us that, you know, you have this romantic side, this, you know, adult side to you, to venture, and we want to see that, we want to hear that. We also want to hear it in your voice, maturity in your voice. And I realize that many of the songs you present are songs you have written, which is brilliant. So I will give you a 7 for your effort, but I think you have so much more to go. All right?
All right, thank you for that. 6, 7. All right, so Lady Tash.
Tarish, I wonder if you realize how fortunate you are. All the judges here were rooting for you. You understand me? Every week after week, we give you encouragement and we motivate you. And today, I'm really glad to see how you come out and you're shining all the way for you, non-stop. I give you a 7 as well.
All right, thank you for that, Lady Tash. All right, yes, Stacey, you can give a word of advice. Oh, you give it already? You give it already. All right, our general, sorry. Yeah, you know what I mean? Our general. Talk to her.
Yeah, singer. You know you're our singer, though. From day one, here we say, yo, you're our singer. You see me I deal with? You find what the biggest punchline them since the talent show start. And you find the big punchline. You see me? You have home and away match. You see right now, and you home this. You're not supposed to be shy in front of Arrow, Nero, Keisha, Tash, $1 Million Voice. You over the me I deal with, cause we. So you're supposed to forward out every week, ready. You see me I deal with, and forward out. You forward out and come out whole heap more different than before this trip, you know. But you're still a bit inside. You're not fully outside yet. And we see the potential of you being fully outside. So that way I wait upon. So you know, say a 7. 7 for me, you see me?
All right, thank you for that, our general. May I tell you, Tyrisha, hey, the people that right now, the viewers, if you feel like she's doing and she can go little harder, we just put in the vote for her to keep her inside the competition. Yes, Nero?
I don't want none of the contestants them take them number here and be sad with them, you know. It's because we know we're capable of. You understand? In order to draw people, we have to make them cry.
Yeah.
You understand? Now, we know say, just by saying these things, it's still never take the shine out of you. But I guess when they see the numbers and start to decline,
yeah,
then you will know.
You will do better. Every week you come, you do better and better. Trust me. And you look good. You go on. All right? Competition is on.
One more time.
All right, turn up that beach right now. Hey, may I tell you, Tyrisha, come out and shy something there, because you're bad in a real life. And we all know that you are excited. You know what I mean? 100% talent, Jamaica. We're moving on to another artist right now. Hey, we can go straight to him. We'll put a little excitement in the show. Because from the show start, the show excited, same way, you know. But we're going to a little extra excitement. Hey, make your way to center stage. Next performers right now. Go by the name of Sky. Hey, Sky, push. Sky, pusher. Push them away. Watching your style tonight, excited.
No bugger lecture, just drop the beat, DJ Smokey. You know, some out there with some Sky Pre. From the Sky Brain. From the membrane. Them are gonna remember good, you know. Some are dark and ready. From the darker side that thing. Still smarter side that thing. Yeah. Dark. The billionaire up in here, I wonder if them here. Don't fool yourself, me know your eyes are sickly because me do it effortless, say you will make a road tear. Up if I may enter pay money, me a share, me said the billionaire up in here, I wonder if them here. Don't fool yourself, me know your eyes are sickly because me do it effortless, say you will make a road tear, yeah. A big bike and car, them a chat bout. A big house land title, me rock bout. Buy a piece of land, beer greens and pop chow. Couple more acres, when I sell livestock now. Nah, waste the money now, not now. Boss for them when you reach, so when you pop down, looking at yourself, you can't depend on every end yet. Nah, so you know for your batches, but yes, the billionaire up in here, I wonder if them here. Don't fool yourself, me know your eyes are sickly because me do it effortless, say you will make a road tear. Happy for me ends up pay money, me a share, yeah. That the day I walk house, I will sell black. Billions, to bust the case, me want hold that. So the road I burn off the tar melt hot. Mr. Barrett in the bank, G, you smell that? Me love the money, I roll my girl, I rub down my shoulder. Me not new to the game. Step with the soldier, them a baby to the game. Get them a stroller. Dark, I'm ready. Tell them the billionaire up in here, I wonder if them here. Don't fool yourself, me know your eyes are see clear. Because me do it, but let's say you make the road clear. Happy for me hands up here, money me a share. Me say the billionaire up in here, I wonder if them here. Dark.
Well excited. Hey, for the thing Sky Pusher go and good. Make some nice to the artist now. The man say dark and him ready, you know. Yo, the man, hey, Sky Pusher, how are you push? The man says Sky Brain right now. Alright, hey, thank you, trust me. Hey, the show is really excited. 100% talent Jamaica right now. Our general, what you think about the Pusher Bars? Sky Brain.
Yo, Baz. Bad artist. Hey, Sky Pusher. Hey, Sky better careful in a push where Sky and look on the universe round a one part, you know? Yo, Baz. Anyway, bad song, my general. Billionaire up in here. I hope the must be clear. You see me I deal with? Fully act. You see me? Fully well excited as well Millionaire dance. You see me? So you don't know image everything good. You see me I deal? Me still feel I could deliver a bit better. You see me I deal? Me still hear 1 and 2 crack same way in a device. You see me?
Thank you for that. So I still
feel like you could deliver a bit better. So for me it's a 8, my God.
Alright. 8. Alright, original. Thank you for that. Yes. Stacian.
I like it. I like, yeah? Everything just right. I like how you interact. I like everything. You know, you talk the real things. You say pop show and greens. And they say there, yeah. You know, you talk the right things. So yeah, me I get 8. So yeah, me I get 8.
Alright, thank you for that. Stacian. Lady Dash. Where my push? Where Sky Pusher push? Where my push?
It's all about the flavor for me. Sky Pusher, I love the flavor. It turn up it nice. What you say? Member good. You see the man here? Look on him. Look how tall him there. Orderly and properly. Sky Pusher.
Well excited. Yeah, give him a number. You give him a number already? A 9. Alright, Sky Pusher, Lady Tash, give you a 9. Kisha Las Vegas. Hey, me I tell you, I see you have Kisha bouncing over there, you know. The man said dark and ready.
Let me say what I'm going to say real fast. I'm not delay. You know why I like Sky Pusher so much? Because he comes outside of his element and he goes old school with his style. Look on his style where I'm having, man. Like when I see where I go on there, so. Him not care where I go on around him. Him just decides that this me the pan, this me a push, as him say. Yeah. And him say, a millionaire him the pan. The man on a new bit to the thing, him know how money for spend, him know for share, him know all of them things. I give you a 10 because I just love it. I love it.
Well excited. I think you should give you a 10. And to make sure that right now to score them. 10. Alright.
Definitely a 10. 10. Definitely a 10 for me.
Sky Pusher, you're doing well, you're doing really excited. Right now, Nero. What do you think about the Sky Bars?
Sky Pusher found early, I'm saying Nero, nothing normal in my G. I say, alright, I'm going to go on, but he did make that decision there and get a 9 from me, said we know. Yeah. And then again, this is not because we have a social relationship with the audience, them said we are with the contestant them same way. Right? But at the end of the day, what is due, I have to do. The one come out and did it. We don't find a problem. Yo, Buzz.
Alright, hey, thank you all the judges right now. Represent Sky Pusher. Hey, the man said $1 million voice, but dark and ready now, you know. You not ready for your show? Me ask my brother, I'm ready for you too, you know. Alright, Harolé. Alright, remember, please make sure all scores written down. Alright, all the judges will be putting up them numbers and make sure all scores written down, please. Master Bruce, pay attention, alright? All scores count right now. Alright, turn up the beat right now. Yeah, hey, 100% talent Jamaica. Hey, we could move on to another contestant. Another contestant, make your way to center stage. Yeah, make your way to center stage. Hey, this is another female artist where the world are watching now. Carry on, Wagwan, what you doing for us today?
Well, I'll be singing a song.
Which song?
I see red.
All right, so bring it down. I see red. That's how you come out it. You look like. How it should look like? Little bit red, right? It. All right, do your thing. 100% talent.
Just time. So is it wrong to dance this line? If your heart was full of love, would you give it up? 'Cause what about angels? That will come, that will go make us special. No, don't give me up. Don't give me up. How unfair is just our luck. Found something real that's out of touch. If you said the whole wide world, would you dare to let it go?
I'm telling you right now, these young talents, them are go on, you know. Them are improve. Kisha Las Vegas, what you think about Carry On?
Oh, I'm enjoying the maturity for these young ladies. The song choices are getting better and better, and I really like that one. So I would give her an 8 for that performance. I liked it a lot.
Thank you, Kisha, for that. Lady Tash.
Hey, Carrie. Looking splendid in your red. I really love, as Keisha said, I was just about to say the maturity. It's like we're watching you and you're maturing and you're coming better every week. I love you, Carrie. We all love you and we're rooting for you. I'll give you an 8.
8. Thank you for that, Lady Tash. Stacey Ann.
Your voice is amazing. I like it. Not everybody can do that kind of song. You know the way I like it a lot. And I'm going to give you an 8 as well.
8. All right, yeah, go on, you know. You excited? Rolling.
Yo, Baz. Yeah, singer. You have nice vocals. We see the maturity, we hear the maturity in your vocals. You see me? But here we go on now. A competition, and the competition serious. You see me, I deal with, and we just judge a bad artist before. You see me, I deal with, you have to bring it forward. Remember, I just give a bad artist 8. You overs when me I deal with and a bad artist. You see me, I'm just find few little small problems. You see the shyness. When you are forward pan stage is a deep breath, me hear it. Me hear it. You overs when me I deal, so you need to work on the shyness. So for me it's a 6. You understand? Give thanks.
Thank you for that, our General. Nero Malisha. What you think about Carry On? Don't turn away your face. Nero.
Alright, so I like the vocals and everything. I think she did well. I gave her a 9 for that. And I hope to see her again in the next competition. that is about to take place on the date to be announced. Alright? Yeah. So with that said, we need to have a reason with your mommy before we leave, okay? Yeah. Alright, so a 9 for me. The 9 is right here. I'm not afraid to show the 9. I gave her a 9.
9. Yeah. Alright, thank you for that, Nero. May I tell you, carry on. Hey, trust me, hopefully you just keep her in the competition, alright? So all the viewers out there, remember, all contestants count right now, you know what I mean? So carry on, big up yourself, hopefully to see you in the next round. Boy, may I tell you, she gone. Yeah, she improving. Yes, we can see it. Alright, so we're moving on straight to our next contestant right now. 100% talent Jamaica, you know, just making everything possible for all the young acts right now. Hey, this is an excited talent show, you know, in a Portmore city, you know.